Hello guys, good afternoon from Portugal. Today I have 2 of 100x. Ticket number 12 and lucky 13. Okay, hola a todos. Mais un día de luta. Vamos llegar a ganar. Oye, yo tengo número 12 y 13. Okay. Obviously, it's a matching number game. The gamblers know this, but for those who don't gamble, they don't know. Okay, so let's start. Today I'm gonna use M2M, grab and gamble. My kabayan. Kabayan, guys, means countryman. Okay, this is our country's flag. Bandera nas Pilipinas. Okay, let's. Oh my Diyos, the lottery code showed up. Okay, we're looking for 12, 23, 37, 14, 42. This is a big win if this is a winner because it's not the same letters. 38, 11, 36 now, 28, 27, 18, 39, 13, come on, multiplier, 26, 30, 17, 33, nada, 41, contrario, 34, 22, 44, 24, 16, 31 y 29. Okay, so it's not a winner as expected. Okay, let's go to our last hope. We're looking for 13, 12, 41, 42, 38. Okay. 30, 18, 23, 28, un ticket, 19, 39, 36, 29, 26, nada, 44, 11, 12, 13, oh my Dios, 43, 14, oh, 11, 12, 13, 14, 24, 17, 31, contrario, 22, 33, 27 y 35. Nada. Nada na manga. Okay, so there's no win in this session, guys. I hope I missed numbers, but I don't think so. But there's no win in this session, okay? Two losing tickets. Okay. No win. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.